humanity is facing today is greatest challenge of the century.
The real First World War.
210 países y territorios están afectados.
L'ennemi est puissant et invisible.
The worst affected are those already weakest.
Apta, octa.
Inmates of all people's homes.
Those already ill in all the ways.
The homeless.
Street children.
Victims of drug addiction.
Los refugiados.
The internally displaced people.
Minorías étnicas.
Nomadic communities or gypsies.
Domestic workers.
Beggars.
Gender minorities.
Amalayomía.
Ventas ambulantes.
Physically challenged.
La fuerza de defensa de la humanidad son los médicos, las enfermeras y los trabajadores de primera línea.
We, the young people of the world, challenge you to become the defense forces against Covid-19.
Nosotros, salesianos, estamos en 134 países.
Momigabanayisios.
Of all ages.
모든 세계.
Longolgeta Manmeri.
Wielojęzyczni.
Pahuwatanatham.
Con una excelente educación y formación.
Don Bosco 또 이렇게 하셨습니다.
In 1854, in his own city, Turin, cholera epidemic was very heavy.
In 2014, at the outbreak of Ebola in Africa.
And several other instances.
Las fuerzas defensivas de Don Bosco ya están trabajando.
Salesianos.
Daughters of Mary, Help of Christians.
Missionary Sisters of Mary, Help of Christians. Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco. Sisters of Maria Auxiliatrix.
Salesian Cooperators.
Sisters of the Queenships of Mary.
Daughters of the Queenship of Mary.
Atma.
舊同學 Young volunteers.
With the congregational coordinator.
Efficiently supported by Don Bosco Network.
And a large group of volunteers.
En todos los continentes.
Using a common logo and brand.
Building awareness through classes.
A través de la radio.
Through posters.
ソーシャルメディアを通して。
A través video.
Fajajan. Distribuendo pasti caldi.
Community kitchens.
Entrega de alimentos a la casa.
Making protective equipment.
Distribution de masques.
Accommodation for quarantine. Online counseling.
E accompagnamento spirituale.
Saving lives in every possible way.
Wir setzen den Unterricht online fort.
And other activities of Don Bosco.
我鼓勵你哋繼續盡你哋最大嘅能力嚟到去做。
I invite still more of you, all of you, to join this defensive force.
Cada miembro de la familia salesiana.
Donantes tanto a título personal como institucional.
Contribuite con la vostra esperienza.
Together we shall win this war to defend the lives of the weakest, who are also children of Don Bosco and the favorite children of God. May Mary, Help of Christians, and Don Bosco intercede for us. May God bless you.